license, because I register my drone with the FAA, and I said, look at this, man. My drone has on a serial number or a number on it, and this is my license to operate my drone. So you guys need to stop this nonsense that's going on, right? They let the white people just go through immigration and go through custom without even declaring their bags. And I know they have a lot of them carry stuff for their friends, because a lot of them, this is not their first time being in Jamaica, and a lot of them don't stay at the resorts. A lot of visitors that are coming to Jamaica now, they don't stay behind the walls of the resort anymore. They are going to short-term property rental, Airbnb, villas. That is what a lot of these visitors in Jamaica, when they come to Jamaica, that's what they're doing. And a lot of them, they have established friendship with the owners of the villas and workers of the villas. Some officers do towards dark-skinned Jamaicans, because that's the only people some of them pick up on. They don't pick up on the light-skinned Jamaican or when the white folks coming into Jamaica. They don't busy with that. But when you're especially a young black Jamaican guy, oh,
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Mannix Robinson TV, and we are back at it again. Beautiful Friday evening, guys. Just taking an easy evening, chilling out and looking over in Montego Bay. Look at that awesome view. That's what I'm talking about. But yeah, welcome back again, guys. Yeah, we are back at it again. Yeah, if this is your first time tuning in to Mannix Robinson TV, hit that subscribe button, press that post notification bell. Talk about the people, but as I say, it is Friday and I'm up in the hills. I am up in the hills. Wee-hee. Guys, that's where I went the other morning, man. Way down yonder. See the ocean down there? That's where I went and got some fish from Dark Dive. Yeah, way down yonder. Yeah. Fish were beautiful. I fried them dry and I ate them with bread. Or is it eat them with bread? One of them. Yeah, all thing I know, they end up in my belly. Yeah, look at it. Yeah, I would fly my drone, but I don't got my drone. I didn't bring it with me. I didn't feel like bringing my drone. Yeah, the last time, to give you a story, the last time I was coming in the island, I had my drone in my backpack, and you know, I told the customer officers that, you know, guys, I don't have nothing to declare. For some reason, they don't believe me. I guess they heard my accent, you know. For some reason, it seemed as if the custom officers at the airport treat Jamaicans different than, treat the black Jamaicans different than anybody else. It's like they think they have to dig up the black Jamaicans more than everybody else. I don't know, but I'm just saying, right? So I'm coming through, you know, immigration, customs, they're gonna, you know, so I didn't have nothing to declare, so I'm going through the green line. They're gonna send me back and say, oh, you gotta go through declaration. I said, why? What do I have to declare? Oh, you gotta go back. Oh, you have a suitcase and a backpack. I said, well, those white folks got backpack and suitcase. Why don't you send them to the declaration? So you are automatically assuming that they don't have nothing to give nobody, but you hear my accent and you're assuming that I have something to give my family members or something to give somebody. I said that is discrimination, man. But anyway, I didn't want to, confrontation with nobody, because I don't even gonna waste time with that. But anyway, I went there. Bam! They asked me for information, passport, whatever. I said, yo, I don't have nothing to declare. I'm just here for 1 week vacation. I got some work to do on my property. I'm gonna check on my property. That's what I'm here for. Bam! Okay, we need to search your backpack and we need to search your suitcase. I said, for what? I don't have nothing to declare. No, we gotta check you. But anyway, I said, okay, let's play this game. And while they're doing that, I'm watching the white tourists and the light-skinned Jamaicans going through with ease. Nobody stopping them. Suitcase going through the X-ray machine and nobody pulling them out of line and say, oh, we see some stuff that we need to pull your bag. No, they let them through. But the black Jamaicans, I don't know. That's some racism stuff is going on out by Donald Sangster International Airport, and the government should do something about it. It's not right. But anyway, bam, they search up my suitcase. They found nothing. Then they say they want to search my backpack. I said, why you want to search my backpack? There's nothing inside of it than my filming equipment. Man, they say we got to search it. I said, these guys mean business. They're looking for something. They want money from me. Bam. I hope not my backpack. They saw my drone. They lit up like the 4th of July and New Year's Eve. That's how they lit up. They had this bright spark in their eyes as if they're saying, yes, we hit the jackpot. So I said, what's up? Who you gonna bring this to? We know we were gonna find something. So I said, what? It's mine. Who you gonna bring this to? We know you're gonna give it to somebody. So I said, okay. Okay, keep on talking. So they took out my drone, they took out my camera, they took out my GoPro, they took out my mics, they took out everything and said, who are you gonna bring this to? Who are you bringing this stuff for in Jamaica? I said, you know what? All right, let's end this. So I took out my drone license, because I registered my drone with the FAA, and I said, look at this, man. My drone has on a serial number or a number on it, and this is my license to operate my drone. So you guys need to stop this nonsense that's going on, right? There's a lot of white folks that just pass through over the non-decoration, and I know that a lot of them had stuff in their suitcases and you guys didn't stop them, but the black Jamaican, you guys pull him out of the line and say you need to go to the decoration line. I said, you guys need to stop your racial profiling, man. It's not right. But anyway, after I talked to them, they say, okay, you can go. Man, I was so upset, so I said, you know what, I'm not even going to go through it again. I'm coming to Jamaica. I'm not bringing my drone, because I don't like the harassment and the discrimination and the profiling that some of these custom officers do towards dark-skinned Jamaicans, because that's the only people some of them pick up on. They don't pick up on the light-skinned Jamaican or when the white folks coming into Jamaica. They don't busy with that, but when you're especially a young black Jamaican guy, oh, they pick on them like crazy. But no more, man. I ain't bringing no more drone when I'm coming to Jamaica to film no footage, because I just feel as if they just pick on certain people down there, man. Unbelievable. But hey, no more. I ain't bringing no more drone to Jamaica to fly. My drone is staying in America. Yeah. But that is it, guys. That's beautiful Montego Bay right there. I don't need a drone to see this. I am high enough where I can see the beauty of nature. Look at that. Unbelievable. Yeah. Loving it. Yeah. Look at the birds, man. Look at the crown pigeon. Crazy. Yeah, they pick on, yeah, they look like as if they only pick on certain people when they come in Jamaica, and they let the white people just go through immigration and go through custom without even declaring their bag. And I know they have a lot of them carry stuff for their friends, because a lot of them, this is not their first time being in Jamaica, and a lot of them don't stay at the resorts. A lot of visitors that are coming to Jamaica now, they don't stay behind the walls of the resort anymore. They are going to short-term property rental, Airbnb, villas. That is what a lot of these visitors in Jamaica, when they come to Jamaica, that's what they're doing. And a lot of them, they have established friendship with the owners of the villas and workers of the villas, people that have private homes. Yeah. So a lot of them are bringing in gifts and items for their friends, and they don't check those guys. But no, me, the black guy that speak patois, they want to dig me up. Crazy. Unbelievable. You guys should stop that nonsense. Do your job, man. Don't discriminate, man. The law and the rules goes for everybody, regardless who the person is or what skin tone they have. Seriously. But anyway, I just feel like I had to say that because of that, I say I'm not bringing my drone come to Jamaica no more, because the next time they may take that away from me. Unbelievable. But it is what it is. Yeah. That's how it goes. Even your own black people treat you like third-class citizen. Your own country that you're born in, when you come here, they want to treat you like you're a common criminal. But it's okay. We know the game. Wish some of you guys could be up here on the pinnacle, sipping on a red stripe beer or a Heineken, enjoying this beautiful view right there. Yeah. Nice. Look at that. Awesome. Wow. You gotta love it, man. You gotta love it. Yeah, you gotta love it. Yeah, you gotta love it. Yeah, you gotta love it. Look at this 360, guys. Look at this 360. Look at this. Look at this 360. Look at this 360. Look at this 360. That is beautiful right there. 360. Whoa, me a not go broke. Me a not go broke. Me a not go broke. 360 right there. Right. 360 right there. Yeah. Beautiful. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Up in the hills on a beautiful Friday evening. Yeah. Nice. But guys, it definitely look like we're gonna get some rain tonight. See those rainy clouds? You see how they look mean and dark? We're gonna get some rain tonight. But yeah guys, just chilling out up in the hills, man. Enjoying my Friday. Me, myself and I, looking out in the great city of Montego Bay, the tourism capital of the Caribbean, right there. That's it right there. That is the tourism capital of the Caribbean, not Jamaica. That's the tourist capital of the Caribbean, Montego Bay. Think a joke? Yeah. Nice. The sun is setting. Look at the sun is setting. Look at the sun is setting. Sun is setting. It was nice having you tuning in to be on the rooftop with me, looking over into great Montego Bay, the tourist capital of the Caribbean. Yeah. Beautiful, right? Yeah. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Until I see you again on the next adventure, when we be up on the hilltop and the rooftop looking off in the city. You have yourself a beautiful weekend. Alright, and take it easy now. God bless. Peace, love, and tranquility. Blessings. Back, you got to charge like I'm